Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be reviewing this popular fuel system cleaner BG44K Platinum and let you know if I see a difference and is it worth buying. So what is BG44K Platinum? BG44K Platinum is the #1 fuel injector cleaner. In a recent survey, automotive experts chose BG44K 4-to-1 over the next aftermarket cleaner. Petrol quality is inconsistent, and at the petrol station, petrol varies in quality. The result is carbon deposit build-up, inefficient ignition and combustion, and poor power output. Small, high output engines are extremely sensitive to deposits that build up on fuel injectors, intake ports, and intake valves, and in the combustion chambers. So the 1 litre Ecoboost on the Focus and Fiesta engine, modified and remapped like mine is, to either a stage 1 or stage 2 would be more likely to get more deposit build-up. Even small amounts of deposits cause increased exhaust emissions, reduced fuel economy, drivability problems and engine knock. BG44K Platinum is 11 ounces of high quality detergents that you pour directly into your petrol tank. So what are the benefits? It's claimed it vanquishes carbon deposits in the combustion chamber, intake manifold, ports and on valves, restores flow in fuel injectors, restores performance, restores fuel efficiency and increases power output. So I'm going to show you how you put it in your car. Yeah, so I poured the entire can of BG44K Platinum into the fuel tank. I had to press these 3 tabs in here, otherwise it won't open up. You know, I have to push them go inwards, otherwise the port won't open up to actually pour the stuff in. Got his funnel here as well, so you've got to try and push them in and push the funnel in as far as you can, otherwise if you don't and you start pouring a can in, it'll start leaking all down the side of your car here, so make sure it's pushed all the way in. Yeah, so I paid for the BG44K Platinum, I paid £23.25 from eBay. I had a quarter of a tank of petrol in, then I added the fuel system cleaner, and I filled up a full tank of Tesco Momentum to 406 miles full. As you know, if you watch the channel, the car's been modified to almost like stage 2, apart from the stage 2 remap, which I'll be getting from Puma Speed. It's like a tuning box, which is around up 460 quid. So the car's roughly around 160, 165 horsepower, give or take. My driving style, I do short stop start journeys locally. I hardly go on the motorways where my average mile per gallon will go up above 34.9 where it is now. I usually drive changing gears when the car prompts me to, like it does on the screen up there when it says go up a gear, down a gear. So yeah, I'm not always, you know, driving the car fast. So I do it now and again, but not all the time. Like I say, I usually try and you know, stick to, you know, like low revs, so usually under 2,000 revs when it tells you to change gear. I only put in the car 99 RON Tesco Momentum petrol, and this in itself, it has cleaning detergents in it, so I don't know if that's gonna, you know, affect the test, because whereas if you ran 95 RON petrol and you had a lot more carbon deposits, would you see a bigger difference using the BG44K Platinum? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drive the car until it's nearly empty over the next, say, 2 to 3 weeks. I'm going to let you know if there's any improvement in the average miles per gallon, and if I've noticed any restored performance. So yeah, I'll let you know about the conclusion. So after mixed driving over the last 3 weeks, doing my usual short stop-start journeys locally, I don't really go on the motorways, like I said before. Before average miles per gallon, I got 34.9. It used to drop now and again to 34.8. This was like mixed driving, like driving a bit quicker, and then driving, you know, when it tells you to go up a gear, down a gear. So yeah, the best I ever got before using BG44K was 34.9 miles per gallon. It never went over that. That's even like driving, you know, really carefully. Like I said, going up gears, down gears, going in 5th gear, 6th gear. So after using BG44K Platinum, the best I've got now is 0.5 more miles per gallon better off. So I'm only getting 35.4 miles per gallon. I'm getting no more than that. I've tried my best to get it to 35.5. I have been driving quicker now and again, and you know, like again, driving when it tells you to change up and down gears, but I really can't get any better than 35.4. I don't know if that's down to I only use Tesco Momentum, which, like I said at the start of the test, it has its own cleaning detergents in it. Would you see a better outcome if you just use normal unleaded petrol, 95 RON? You might have more carbon build-up in your engine, and you might see a bigger increase using BG44K Platinum. But yeah, I've only got 0.5 miles per gallon, you know, better off on average than I did before. So best I got before using this was 34.9. Now I'm getting 35.4. So that's the best, you know, I can get. So have I seen any improvement in lost performance? If I'm being honest, no. The car feels the same as it did before I started doing the test. And like I said before, I've only seen a slight minimal improvement in the average miles per gallon to like 0.5 increase. So is BG44K Platinum fuel system cleaner worth it? In my opinion, for me and others who use premium 99 RON petrol at Shell, Tesco, BP, which includes cleaning detergents anyway, it's probably not worth it, Joe, for the gains you're going to get. However, if you fill up using standard, cheaper 95 RON fuel, you're probably more likely to have a carbon deposit build-ups in your fuel system over time. And if you use BG44K Platinum every, say, 5 to 10,000 miles, you probably see a much greater improvement in your average miles per gallon, and you might even get a bit of restored lost power. So yeah, I'll show you now my average miles per gallon now. It was 34.9, 34.8, but yeah, there it is, 35.4. I've tried to be damned hardest to get it higher than that, and it will not go above that. So yeah, only 0.5 increase in the average miles per gallon. I've not noticed any restored lost power, like I said. But if you do use the cheaper 95 RON fuel, if you use the BG44K Platinum, or if you want to use any other fuel system cleaners, say every 5 to 10,000 miles, you know, you probably see an improvement in your average miles per gallon. You might get a bit of restored lost power, and you just keep the engine healthy from a carbon deposit build-up. I hope this video review on BG44K Platinum fuel system cleaner has been beneficial to you and helpful. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon for new content. And thanks for watching.